Hello everybody. Thought I'd do a little cooking for the family this evening. We're going to have us a seafood boil. We'll have us some shrimp. Got some spices there to put in there with it. That's a tablespoon of Old Bay, tablespoon of some Creole seasoning. Come out of the cookbook. Cortez cookbook right there. Part of my family heritage right there. Got some lemons to throw in there with it. Some corn. Red potatoes. Got us a pot of salted water there. We're going to start boiling that pretty quick. And then the main ingredient. Look at there. Big old pile of stone crab claws. Just come out of the water yesterday. If you know the right people, you can get these things without breaking the bank. Look at some of these. They're almost as big as your hand. Ain't them nice? Whoa. It's going to be so good. Crack them open, dip them in a little bit of butter. Oh yeah, that's going to be right on. We'll take a couple sticks of butter and put them in a pot. I'll take a little bit of that Creole seasoning that I made here. Put that in that butter. Oh, make your tongue slap your brains out. Alright, let me get this pot boiling. Get them seasoning in there. I'll be right back with you here in just a minute. And get this all put together. See you shortly. Alright, I got the water boiling, got the seasoning in there. Take a couple of these lemons, squeeze them, drop them in. Put the potatoes in here. Cut them in half so they'll cook a little bit faster. We'll let them go for about 8 minutes. And then we'll bring in the corn. Shrimp. Those are Gulfcoast pink shrimp, wild caught here in the Gulf of Mexico. Don't get any better than that. Alright, we'll let this go for a little bit and I'll see you here shortly. Alright, well, potatoes been in there about 8.5 minutes. Went ahead and got us some butter started back here. There's a couple sticks of butter on the warmer. Get that melted here. Time to put the corn in. Got 3 years of bi-colored corn broken in half. Silk's taken out of it. Put those in there. We'll let them go for about 3 or 4 minutes. And then we'll put the crab in. Last thing to go in will be the shrimp because they'll cook the fastest. Man, that smells good. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, corn's been in for about 4 minutes. Now let's take these big stone crab claws, get them in there. Let them go for about 5 minutes. Get down in there. After they go about 5 minutes, then we'll take the shrimp, put them in there. We'll be ready here shortly. Man, that is looking good. They've been in there for about 5.5 minutes. Now it's time we're going to add these big Key West pink shrimp. Get them in there. Get my spoon. Get them all down in there in that water. Yes, sir. Now we'll let them go about 5 more minutes. And we'll put the lid on. This here goes right on the top of the pot right there, locks on. Makes it easy to drain all the liquid out. And we'll dump them on that big tray, everything. And have ourselves a feast. I'm telling you. I'll see you back here in a minute. Alright, cook time is done. Got a little bit of Creole seasoning in that butter. There it is right there. Okay, I hear you. Put just a pinch of that Creole seasoning in that butter. Spice it up a little bit. Look at there. Now we're going to get this lid on. And this goes on there. There it goes. That's it right there. Alright, I'm going to take it over to the sink. Drain it out. When I get it on this here platter, I'll show you what it looks like here in just a minute. Man, oh man, look at that. Ain't that just a beautiful thing? Taters are done just perfectly. Stick a fork right through them. Corn's nice and tender. A little bit of that butter right there in a bowl. That's all you need. Alright, I'm going to show you one more thing before I eat. It's going to be the best way to crack a stone crab claw. Take one of them claws. They're really hot right now. Set him right there on a paper, on a towel. Use a metal meat mallet. Works real good. Lay that over top of them like that. Right there. Just smack him a few times. Look at that. Perfect. Alright guys, time to go. I gotta eat. Y'all have a good day. See you on the next one.